There's few amendments, few photos to be changed, which I'm happy to go through. But I can't waste like it took me a day. So if I want to do the whole website, I'm gonna have another 2 days of work, and I've got a lot of work extra other than that. And I don't think I'll pay you $6 for me to spend 3 days to revise her work. So I'm expecting from Sindhu to use some common sense, right? I'm not here to babysit her.
Yeah, man.
So, what I like her to do, let me share the screen 2 minutes with you again.
Sure, man. Yeah.
There's basic things that I've asked yesterday, and today they comes up with other mistakes. She's working good, don't get me wrong, she's doing good job. She's changing. What I want her to go dot by dot and do what I'm asking to do, not changing anything else, because I'm going to spend in 2 months, we'll be doing the same thing. Okay. And when I say we change the web, it's just doing the SEO, but costing me too much, like too much time. I'm wasting time here, big time. Like, I know you understand that.
Yeah, man. I'll make sure it'll be done same as the main site we have, so that you don't need to worry.
Why does she change photo size? That she put some stuff ridiculous. We're talking about surfing, and she using kite surfing photos. It doesn't make sense, and that's what cost me time to change all that. Oh. So I want her to compare. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
All right, look. I'll give you some example. Right, I sent a report yesterday. Let me open the report.
Yeah, have you been checking out the homepage, Ben?
Yeah. We're talking only about the homepage.
Yeah, she's been doing some changes.
Yeah, but look, the changing she's doing. All right. So I'm gonna go to the homepage, and somewhere down the bottom here of the homepage on the report I sent. Let me go down the bottom, or let's say here. Okay, I've asked something simple.
Your video is not clear, Ben. It's too blurred.
Is it blurry? Can you see me or not?
It's very blurred actually. I can see it, but I think it takes a little while to load properly.
Okay, it will load. Let's get a couple of minutes. The report I sent, I don't want to go back through it again. I cannot spend another day to check again what she's been doing. And from what I see today, there's some mistake again. So she's going for improvement, but we're going backwards rather than going forwards.
Yeah.
And I want you, Naik, because you promised you will look after that, to keep an eye on her. Because I don't have the time to, I've got 2 business to run as well as this one. I can't just spend my time.
I'll make sure, because this is most important part of your business. So,
I understand, but if I take time to write the report, which is quite clear and simple, dot by dot and line by line and page by page, photo after photo.
Yeah, man. I'll make sure to follow up it.
Can you see my screen now, Naik?
Yeah, it's a little better now, better than before.
Okay, can you see what I'm showing you with my mouse? Can you see my mouse?
Yeah,
the IS1 logo, right? I've just asked her yesterday, and that's just one example, to put the high resolution logo so we can read that, and to align the logo, which is something simple, right?
Yeah.
And look what she come up with today. If I go here to the home page that she did,
every evening I'm going to make sure it's properly done.
Yeah,
but I've seen
it. Look what it is now.
Oh. Yeah,
can you see or not?
Yeah, I can see that, Ben. It's not.
All right. I send her a PNG.
Oh, okay.
How come she put that? I send up a Dropbox, and I said exactly what photo with the name of the photo and the number of the photo, what goes where. Okay. And today I see that again, and to me it's extra thing to do again and say, okay, can you please? So I want her to stick, and I want you to be clear with her to stick.
Sure, Ben. See, I don't want you to check the progress actually, because I'll send an email once I feel that this is looking pretty professional based on your guidelines.
It is looking much better, Naike. Don't get me wrong. I'm very happy with what she's doing. I'm just saying here, I cannot waste that much time on that because it takes me forever. Look, today I did another report. Okay. I'll show you the report. Where is my report? So today I'm doing Let me check that. So that's the report from yesterday. That's just the homepage. And today I've done only. Let me go up the page. Only this section here. Kite, all that, SERP, all that. And this is the report for it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Report.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot, man. There's a lot. See, there's photo missing. There's stuff that are too small. There's too much blank. She hasn't used the same thing as the other page. So the design of it is great, but I'm asking her to do the same thing at what is written there. Look at this page. Everything's missing.
Okay.
So it's not complicated. I want her to be consistent through the website.
Okay.
You know, when you've got a page, let me give you an example. When you've got a page like surfing,
Yep.
and then those photos, they're way too small. Why she put them so small? Look at the white around. On the other page, if I go on the other page and I get the same page, look at the size of the photo. It's much nicer. She's missing some logo. The brightness of the photos. I want the photo back to original, the way she was. Okay. See that? The effect on this photo that Luca did?
Yeah, man. I'm clear with that now.
Look at what she did.
Oh,
there's no there. It's black. It's small. We can't see anything. Oh. Why did she put a kite surfing photo there? We're talking about surfing. She put a kite surfing photo. Okay. You know, on the other page, on the original photo, it's all about surfing. You know what I mean, eh?
Yeah, man.
So it's not a big deal, but unless you tell her, she won't understand. So the design of it is perfect. What she's doing is great job. But I wanted her to be consistent over the whole website. All the page to be the same, like any website.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting what you're concerned. Like it's all silly things, right? So I'll make sure that we will.
Yeah, it is silly things. Exactly. Yeah. Like this. Can you see that? Doesn't make sense. I've asked her to upgrade the quality of the logo, and I send her the high resolution PNG, and she put this white patch. I mean, surely she can see that it's not nice, right?
Yeah, man. I understand that. So
that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you for today. I'm happy to keep going the reports, but I want her to use a bit of common sense, and because I'm writing for every page the same comment all the time. Use some capital letter, use some space in between the words. There's heaps of buttons that are not linked.
All right.
Or linked to the wrong things. You know? And I know, Naik, that you're dealing with a lot of things at the same time, but the idea with redoing the website, it's not to fuck it up, pardon my language, it's to improve it.
Exactly. It has to improve a lot, after we update the site.
It is fantastic. I'm really happy with what. Yeah. But the message for you, Naik, is I cannot afford to waste that much time. You just have to be a bit of common sense, and that will help me a lot, save us some time.
Okay.
Because
I promise, man, you don't need to worry too much on that, because I wasn't ready to show you that progress yet. Because I've saw it, those small things like in the footer, right? ISAC logo and all. So I was about to tell her that it's way too unprofessional. But suddenly you have noticed it. I'll only update you once I feel that it's right. So probably in another 3 or 4 days, we should have the complete site really done professionally, done well. Right?
It'll be yeah. I know, but
it's an ongoing process. Every 2 or 3 months, we will examine what's going on with the traffic and we'll improve it. So it's an ongoing progress, and it has to be updating. All like new changes, new images.
Yes.
No, right?
Yes. But when we're talking about surf yoga, I don't want to see any photo of kite surfing. When we're talking about kite surfing, I don't want to see any photo of surfing or yoga. You know what I mean? She's a great developer. I can see that. She's doing a good design.
Okay.
But it's not just about designing it. The content has to make sense.
Yeah, man. Of course.
Yeah?
Yep.
Very good. That's all I wanted to tell you, and I'll keep going on this report because there's minor change that are important, need to be done, and I'm happy to write that down. So I will keep going with my reports.
All right.
But when the report is sent, I'm expecting her to stick by this report, and I don't have to go back through it again. Yeah.
I'll make sure about it, man. I'll.
Fantastic. Good man. Excellent, Nike. Good to hear.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
So I don't have to go to bed at midnight tonight, huh?
Yeah. You have to relax now. I'll take this, pressure on me.
I'm trying to, brother, to relax. Just trust me.
All right. Great, man.
Excellent. Thanks for the talk, Naik, and all the best.
Yeah, you too, man. Have a great night. Yeah.
You have a good weekend.
Bye.
Thank you.
Cheers.